There's a funny looking bird in the bird feeder. Good morning, Earthlings. Welcome to my living room. I'm gonna go make some tea. I have my cup with my crab on it. And I have my little thing, but it's, what? It's empty? What? It's a tea. I'm gonna go make some tea. Come with me. Unless you want to watch that stuff. Because the bird feeder is full. It's full of fuzz. Listen, I'm gonna name you Herman. Now be careful because nettles will sting you. How come they don't sting me? They do sting me, but whoa. I heard you. How come the nettles don't sting me? Well, they do sting me, but I see it as a good thing. I see it as they have special properties, and when they put that in your skin, it actually helps you. So I have a different relationship with nettles, so I can touch them. I don't touch them a lot, but they actually are good for you. And I'm going to enjoy my tea. Oh, go! Oh. So I have my tea, and I noticed I have some hummingbirds. Yeah, and I have my friend Herman. So until later, you might not like nettle tea like this, but it's really good for you. And if you have to have a cup of tea real quick, it's nettle tea. Look up on the top. Look up on the top. Then actually when you're done with the tea, you can eat it. All the stinging parts are off of it. It's just like eating a cooked nettle. And they're healthy. And they're good. So, until later, I'm going to hang out with my new friend Herman and all the rest of my friends here. And I'm going to work. What am I doing? No, I'm gardening. I garden the hard way. I garden this way because my friends are birds. You don't believe me? Until later, that nettle got green stuff in my teeth. And I promise I will never talk to you ever again with green stuff on my teeth. And I'm gonna do work now. I'm gardening. So anyway, I hope you show up for my gardening class. How do I garden? You're looking at it. Anyway, until later. I hope you have some nettle tea. And you can put mint in there too if you want to. Go ahead and let the nettles sting you because it's actually really, really good for your body. Not a lot. Anyway, till later. I hope you find I hope you find a space like this that makes you happy. And I hope you have a lot of friends. Oh, even if you have to buy your friends. I didn't say that. Look up on the top. Look up on the top.